Well, hi my QVC beauties, it's Carmindy from Carmindy Beauty. This is a tutorial on how to get that perfect berry lip that's awesome for the holidays and what makeup to pair it with, because a lot of people don't understand that if you do wear a dark kind of bold berry lip, then you want to go kind of sophisticated with the rest of your makeup. So I'm starting out wearing my 4-piece complexion collection, my Best Brow Forward, and a little base on the eye, but I'm going to show you exactly how I got it. The first step is you want to start off with my carbonizing highlighter. This is an ethereal and my awesome highlighting brush. And you sweep that highlighter right from the temples and on top of your cheekbones. This will give you that nice, beautiful glow and make your skin look radiant. Then you want to flip it to the eyeshadow side and you want to apply it right underneath the eyebrow. And this is going to lift the lid and give it that beautiful glow. And also you want to apply it on the inside corner of the eye. We all tend to recede a little bit right there. And some of us put too much like concealer and pack it in there and it just gets cakey. This is a way just to bounce a little beautiful ethereal highlighter in there. And it's so much prettier and so much more natural. Now we're gonna grab my Stargazer Golden Rose. This is such an amazing product. This is a beautiful long wearing shadow stick. So easy to apply, and we're gonna apply it right on top of your eyelids. So from the lash line to the crease. And I call them Stargazer because they have lots of little kind of glow sparkles in there, but not glitter. Don't be afraid. Completely wearable, perfect for holiday. And I like to wear the Golden Rose with a berry lip because we're working in the same family. You don't have to match your lips to your eyes, to your nails, to your dress. You can be in the same family, and that's a lot more sophisticated. So I just blended on a little bit with my fingertip, and now it's time for eyeliner. Now, my Intuit eyeliners, I have this amazing 6-piece collection, and in it we have espresso, eggplant, midnight black, night sapphire, deep emerald, galaxy gray. So you can choose whatever shade of eyeliner that you want and wear with this look. But tonight, I'm gonna go with midnight black. So I have a little bit on now, but I'm gonna put on a little bit more. And I'm looking into my magnifying mirror because I can't see without my glasses. So trace this along the upper lash line. Now you can do one easy sweep if you're good at it, or if you have a shaky hand, you can do small little dashes, but it just smooths right on. And I like to just focus that eyeliner on the upper lashes only because we're gonna be doing a bold lip. So you don't wanna be over the top with the rest of your makeup. So just smear this right into that upper lash line. And here's tricks for eyeliner. Number 1. My double-ended eyeshadow brush. So there's a eyeshadow side and a liner side. So to smooth right on top of that liner to make sure it looks perfect and even, you can just trace on top of it with the eyeliner side of my brush. This will make it look perfect every time. If you can't do a wing, here's another trick. Grab my sponge. This sponge is amazing because you just hold it at the outer corner of your eye and you can just flick it and use it as a stencil to create that perfect wing. And my third trick is I always like to take my Tap On concealer in one shade lighter than my foundation, put it along the other end of the sponge and use it as a stamp to stamp underneath that wing to make it look absolutely bold and flawless. Now it's time for mascara. So we're gonna use my I Got You mascara, because I got you, ladies. We're going to sweep from root to tip on that upper lash line. And the great thing about this mascara is that it is a tube technology, so it will not smudge, it will not budge, it will not run. But when you're done at the end of the night, you don't need makeup remover to take it off. You just wash your face with warm water in the sink and it slides right off in little tubes. All right, so you see the eyes are not overdone. They're just defined. Let me do the other side so I'm not lopsided because that would be bad. And the small little wand allows you to get root to tip. So much easier if you have a shaky hand or if you have small lashes or little eyes. This really allows you to get in there. For a holiday look, I really like to use this on my lower lash line. For like my 5-minute face, I don't do mascara on the lower lash line, but we're going a little bit dramatic. So we're going to hold the wand. Can you see me? We're gonna hold it vertically and sweep back and forth. And that's the best way to get the lower lashes, because not everybody has long lower lashes, but you want to get whatever the ones you got. So hold it vertically. Can you see that? It's amazing. The little brush works, because if you have a big fat football brush, it's not going to work. And we are finished with the eyes. Okay, so this is the eye that goes so well with the berry lip. Now, before we move to the berry lip, we're going to do a little cheek. So I've got my At First blush, and I like to use a big fluffy powder brush because this way you get that perfect amount of flush. You don't want to overdo the blush, just a little sweep. So smile, apples of the cheeks, back to the hairline. That's it. Simple. Apples of the cheeks, back to the hairline. That's enough color. Now it's time for the berry lip. So I like to use my ethereal highlighter like I showed you before, and I like to trace the perimeter of my lip with it. This will make any lip shape stand out. Then I like to use my Universal Love lip liner because it's lighter than berry, because nobody wants that ring around the mouth. So you just trace this on, and this is going to seal in that berry lip without getting a ring around the mouth in case you eat off your berry lip. And now it's time for Love Lipstick in Passion Berry. Oh, this color is so good. It's so creamy. It is the perfect wine berry, burgundy, happy, plummy. Oh my God, the words are coming. It's so good. I like to just use a finger because I don't like that painted on lip look. But look at how gorgeous this is. See how it pairs so nicely with the golden rose, stargazer stick on the eyes, that winged liner, a little bit of glow to the face, and then the berry lip. This is the perfect holiday look.